You have probably heard of carrots being beneficial for our eyes. But did you know that carrots have many other health benefits? It has been used in recipes for skin, hair, and lung cleansing. Want to know more about the benefits of carrots? Here are the top 8 reasons to eat more carrots. 1. Good for the eyes. One of the main benefits of carrots is maintaining your eye health. Carrots, which are high in beta-carotene, help preserve and maintain the surface of the eye. Regular carrot consumption helps ward off conditions including macular degeneration, cataracts, and blindness. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found that this antioxidant protects against age-related macular degeneration. 2. Makes the skin prettier. Carotenoids in carrots protect all layers of skin. They also increase the amount of UV radiation you can be exposed to while making you less sensitive to it. In addition, carrots have a strong antioxidant effect throughout the body due to alpha-lipoic acid. This prevents and treats skin conditions like irritation and psoriasis. This also slows down the aging process. 3. Improves digestion. Carrots are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help ease constipation. Carrots slow down the movement of food through the intestines. They help good gut bacteria grow. 4. Helps in weight loss. A medium-sized raw carrot has approximately 3.2 grams of fiber, so eating carrots frequently can help you feel fuller for longer. Carrots are also low in calories and can be eaten raw or cooked. However, eating carrots alone won't help you lose weight. Instead, you should combine it with a low-calorie, low-fat, and low-sugar diet. Raw carrots have a low glycemic index, which helps to manage blood sugar levels and promotes weight loss. They are also beneficial for diabetics. 5. Strengthens the immune system. Carrots are high in antioxidants which helps maintain a strong immune system. This would make it easier for the body to fight infections. They also include vitamins A and C, which support lung health. This can boost immunological function and lessen the symptoms of respiratory allergies. 6. Prevents cardiovascular illnesses. By reducing the oxidation of LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, along with carrots' high fiber content and beta-carotene, they can protect the body from cardiovascular illnesses. 7. Improves brain function. Beta-carotene can enhance cognitive function and lessens aging-related memory loss. Oxidative stress, which affects neuronal communication and lowers cognitive function, is to blame for some of these brain conditions. Lutein, a pigment found in carrots, can help lessen memory impairment brought on by aging and brain inflammation. 8. Contributes to cholesterol reduction. Carrots can help in lowering bad cholesterol. They are high in lycopenes. The more lycopene a carrot has, the darker it is. By minimizing the oxidative changes of LDL, lycopene serves as a first line of defense. Lycopene also lowers the risk of cardiovascular illnesses. Carrots are also high in fiber, which reduces cholesterol levels by reducing the absorption of fat by the intestines. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of this diet can slow down cell aging. As one of the most popular vegetables, carrots can be used in a variety of meals. This includes salads, stews, pies and cakes, juice, and stir-fries. It can be consumed raw or cooked, preferably unpeeled and fully cleaned. It can also be grilled or baked. When you consume too many carrots, your skin may turn yellow. The carotenoids are responsible for this. Carrots should only be consumed in moderation by young children. This is especially true for those who have a history of food-related allergies. Due to the high sugar content of carrots, diabetics must also take them in moderation. Also be aware that carrots contain fiber, which when excessively consumed, can result in diarrhea and flatulence. So, are you aware of all the advantages of carrots? Which ones do you enjoy the most? Tell us in the comments section below. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.